Welcome to Manila. I think you're supposed to be at 3. Sila, no? Sorry, I didn't mean to keep you waiting because the new Secretary of Tourism saw her yesterday in Malacanang. Opted to visit me today, so we were bumped. I'm sorry to say that, but I have to be honest to you. Ayoko naghihintay ang bisita ko kasi. But welcome to Manila. It's pre-approved. See? You waited 1 hour. It's just 2 minutes. It's pre-approved. Okay. No, we welcome you. We always wanted for the national government and their partners in the private sector, when they're coming in the city of Manila, under my watch, we always align ourselves as local government with the national goal. And it happened in the past, as you all know, Skyway, Benagtahan Interlink was delayed for so many years, but when I became mayor, in less than 1 month, they started doing the ROW and everything with the support of the. And recently, the Japanese-Indonesian group, they're having I think they are having a problem in the past. For 2 years, it was stalled. Yung antipolo problem ng DOTR. When I assumed office, in less than 1 week, they got the lono, they got the roads, the realignment. Ngayon? Sila? 100% ang operation nila. They're coming into Bad Santos area na. So I was briefed by Chief Cesar Chavez, who's very particular with rails. I think he's been with the government since time immemorial and very familiar with the rail. So rest assured, before you present, you have the support of the city. Whatever you're going to need from the city. Pare, kayo muna't magpakilala. Tapos na ako magbangka, magtotong na ako. Wala ng battery. Sige, nadidinig ko naman eh.
Mayor, Engineer Jojo Yeron po, representing DOTR, acting project report for the SC project.
So you're familiar with what I am saying about the Indonesian and Japanese?
Actually, Mayor, natin po ako nung nagbisita po kayo together with SecDis. And after your visit, nag-wrap up yung project.
2-year problem,
Maraming salamat po dyan. Mayor, with me po is the project team po for the S02. Ito pong courtesy visit namin is with regards to the S02 project. Comprising po ng stations natin from Santa Mesa, Espanya, and Paco. Yung other side po yung Blooming Trail, S01 po yun. So ito po yung contractor natin for S02.
So alis pareho sila ng problema nung nakaraan.
May similarity rin po.
Pero meron naman kayong kaibigan sa city. Don't worry.
Yes, so, Mayor, with me po yung project team ko po sa S02. Si Engineer Cla at si Engineer Jasper. And yung GCR po, yung acting consultant. Then on this side po, yung si Acciona DMCI joint venture.
You want to introduce yourself?
Mayor, thank you for raising us and welcoming us in your office. I would like to introduce our team. Our project director is Alberto Lascores, and the Deputy Project Director is Manny Castro. From our headquarters, we have Ms. Becca Civil from the SCI, Mr. Carlos Bailin, and Samantha Bitia Pagdanganan from Acciona.
Are you related
And
to
PJ Talubad, sir, also.
former governor Pagdamanan?
Yes, my husband.
Kayo, sa namin, mga taga Maynila. Si Eman, Wala siya man. Oh, this is our city engineer. Sabi sa housing. Sige, meron daw kayo ipe-present?
We would like just to show you an 8-minute video of the progress of our package.
Oh, the people of Manila will be excited for this.
All
I'm
three
always
stations-
excited.
Yes, Mayor, all 3 stations passes through your city. So, ayun po. This is the beginning.
The red po yung alignment
That's
po
the
namin.
alignment.
Yung mga red na square po yung mga pier.